Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is Nailed to Obscurity. A song called Liquid Mourning. Mourning, not morning. Liquid Mourning. And this is not the cover of the album because as far as I can tell, there is not an album. This is the cover to the song that was on Bandcamp. So you can get the song off Bandcamp for like $1 or $1.30. Which is nothing, is it really? So if you like it, buy it. It's about, I reckon, 35 degrees in this room right now. I am really hot. So if you can hear my computer, if you can hear its fans in the background, it is what it is. My computer's literally gasping. Wow, it's hot in here. Okay. Nobody recommended this as far as I can tell. So I don't know how it got in my bookmarks. I've had a few of those lately. Let's just jump in. See what we get. Wow, I am so hot.
Desperation screams as if they all were eons. Our senses caught under viscous lava. It's in obsidian light. Liquid blood is shouting up. It's like overwhelmed by grief. Inertia. Before the ultimate downfall, a drift. A grieving soul waits for the night. Our senses caught in this cramped extreme of seeing life in non-erupting sight. Absorbing all the shades. Infinite year of blackness. All senses caught under viscous lava. It's in obsidian light. Liquid blood is shouting up. It's like overwhelmed by grief. Inertia. Before the ultimate downfall, a drift. A grief.
Wow, that's got Paradise Lost running through it like the words in a stick of rock. I loved it. I love that moody, clean, gruff, melodic metalness. You've probably got a list of bands that yourself, because the choruses actually, not the choruses, the verses. When he first started singing, I was like, oh, November's Doom, and then I was like, oh, hang on, that riff, Paradise Lost, and you've probably got a list of bands as well, because it's a genre that this kind of heavy, moody, melodic death metal is a genre unto itself. So there are lots of bands doing this kind of thing, but this was a really that was a top quality sound they had. That was a top quality example of its genre. So I loved that, and I really hope there is an album coming, even if it's clearly not one now. There's certainly not one that I could find, but I hope there is an album on the way. If you happen to see this Nailed to Obscurity, let me know in the comments. Please say, oh yeah, there's an album, it's coming out. Even if it's like next year or year after that, let us know, because that was a quality song. I really like that. It was only 4 minutes long. And, these kind of songs, you almost expect them to be like 7 minutes or something. So it was over a bit. It was over too soon. It was too soon. But yeah, definitely, I could definitely hear Paradise Lost running right through it. Like more older Paradise Lost, kind of back to sort of Icon days kind of Paradise Lost. But so what? It just sounded really good. Really good. Let me know what you think, everyone. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I really need to get out of here. Oh my god, it's hot. Oh, good grief. Luckily, I have my Inferma mug full of icy waterness. Don't worry, I'll edit this bit out. You won't see this bit. I'm talking to myself now. Yeah, in fact, if I'm editing it out, who am I talking to? Am I really just talking to myself? Yes. Thing is doing this, you're talking to yourself anyway. Maybe I won't edit it out. Nobody watches this far anyway, except for the band themselves. Will probably watch this far and wonder what on earth is going on. But nobody else watches videos this far. Gets to the end of the song, we all just switch off. That's not really helping. Wow, it's hot.